Multi-View, High Synchronization, Wearable, EC Data Acquisition Kit, tailored for embodied intelligence data collection, dual wrist cameras, capture fine hand movements and object interactions with zero visual obstruction, head-mounted cameras, delivering a first-person perspective, chest-mounted cameras, provide stable torso reference footage. Each camera weighs less than 60 grams, ensuring all-day wearing comfort. The data acquisition unit supports hardware synchronization for 4 video streams with millisecond-level alignment. The bundled software enables real-time preview, recording, and quality inspection to eliminate invalid footage. Replaceable battery pack support, long-duration continuous data collection, enabling seamless operations from lab settings to real-world scenarios. EC Data Acquisition Kit. Contact us for cooperation.